Ria, your interview is on which date?
Sir, on 14th.
In which place?
So Delhi, New Delhi.
And what is your qualification?
So chartered accountant.
Oh, great, 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 great. I like to talk to chartered accountants because, I can ask very tough questions.
Thank you
Correct?
so much, sir. Hopefully I can, hopefully I will meet your expectations.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you please tell us about yourself?
Thank you, sir, for the opportunity. My name is Ria Gupta. I'm a qualified chartered accountant, having experience of more than 5 years right now. I have worked in varied fields.
Yeah.
So should I?
No,
I
no,
have worked in varied.
no, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Something else is coming here. I have to remove this from this place. Yeah. Yeah. Now, Ria, you are introducing yourself. Please introduce.
So my name is Ria Gupta. I'm a qualified chartered accountant and a postgraduate in commerce too. I have experience of more than approximately 5 years right now. I have worked in fields of MIS, budgeting, costing, financial and accounts. And right now I'm in my current organization, that is Chhajjar Power Limited. I am handling treasury profile, debt servicing of the organization, external commercial borrowings, and the monthly closing. Apart from this, I have good experience. I have good analytical skills, and I love to I find solace and peace in cycling and diary writing and spending quality time with my family because it boosts my energy and give me confidence to face new challenges of life. That's all from my side.
Tell us about your family.
I'm a married woman having a mother of one. He is 2 years old, approximately 2 years old right now. My husband is also chartered accountant. He's working with JK. Yes, he's a chartered accountant. He's working with JK Cement Limited right now. And I have one sibling, and my parents lives in Kanpur.
Kanpur. Good.
Yes.
What do you think about chartered accountancy profession? Should one take up private practice or should one take up this fixed salary income group work? Which one is good? I know you have come for fixed salary now, but substantiate why and how this job is going to be good for you rather than you are doing specialization, say practicing by yourself, private practice.
Yes, sir. So being a chartered accountant and being the course is considered is to be a most difficult course, and it's a very exhaustive course. It gives you knowledge about everything, like taxation, audit, everything. You get the knowledge. You are having the base of every kind of field. But being there are two choices for every chartered accountant after qualifying, that he can do a private practice or he can join an industry. So for joining an as a female, as a woman, I feel, and I don't have any background of chartered accountant in my family. So and wanted to support my family in an earlier age. So if you wanted to set up your own practice, then you have to make your client, then you have to develop relations, and you took and for making that base and background, it will take almost 5 years for a chartered accountant to settle down. The exposure in a chartered accountancy practice is much wider than in service, no doubt, because he will get an exposure in every kind of area. He will be doing audit, he will be doing taxation. The knowledge is wide enough. Can
you tell me something about withdrawal of rupees 2000 denomination notes? Are you seeing this on the screen? No.
Sir, I can see your WhatsApp screen.
WhatsApp only, not the content I am asking, correct?
Yes, sir. No, I cannot see the content.
Very good. Please tell me some details about withdrawal of rupees 2000 denomination bank notes. What is its status? We are now on September 12. Tell me.
Sir, the RBI Governor Shaktikant sir has informed that we will withdraw the 2000 currency from circulation. This will be the third demonetization after independence that we are going to have. The main reason that he had told about the removing this 2000 currency note is the fake notes are very much available in the market, and to curb that cause, we are withdrawing 2000 notes. I think approximately 13 lakh crores notes are right now in the circulation. sorry sir, the 13 lakh crores notes the government has already taken back of 2000 currency notes, and it is in the process of taking back these notes right now. That's all I know about right now.
Have you heard about Mr. Vasudevan, who has been appointed an important position? Do you know about it? No. He is
No, sir.
he has been appointed as executive director of RBI.
So Swaminathan.
No,
Mr.
that
Swaminathan.
is Swaminathan
Okay.
Janagiraman is deputy governor.
Okay, yes, sir.
This gentleman has been appointed as an executive director
Of RBI.
Yeah. So that is why we should know about it.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Now coming to questions relating to creditor. What are the 5 C's of credit you can remember?
One should be the compliance. The 5, I don't remember the 5 exact C's of credit, but the 5, the important factor that we should consider while credit is that the compliance should be made. You should check the background of the client for which you are sanctioning the loan, for sanctioning the credit.
No. This 5 C's normally we say character, capacity, capital, then collateral and conditions.
Okay, sir, I will go through that part.
Yeah, just any Google will give you this idea. It's not a problem. Now, yes, what is venture capital?
So venture capital is a private is raising capital through a private ways. Venture capital normally increases the startups. They will fund the startups businesses for their projects, and they will get a equity in that concern.
Now, have you heard
it's a private way of raising the capital.
Have you heard about priority sector advances? What is it?
So every year government has given target to priority sector lending, that we have to give that the banks has to give a certain percentage of deposit to the advances to the priority sector.
Certain percent means how much percentage?
That is a 40%. Right now the current percentage is 40%. That every bank has to give advance of 40% to the priority sector lenders advances. There are 7 priority sectors right now. That is agriculture, housing, social infrastructure, export credit. These kind of in which 18% is to be given to the agriculture. 12.5% is to the economic welfare, and the other one and the rest is 12.5 is to the weaker section.
No, but even these details you cannot get. You need not go into all these details, except tell what are the 8 sectors and also 40% total. 40% of the total advances.
Total advances. And so one more thing is that our PNB is ahead of our priority sector lending. That we have advances of 42.5% to the priority sector.
Excellent. That's good. Very good. Can you please tell me something about registration of charge in respect of limited company financing? Have you heard about it, studied about it?
So I have heard about it that in our in our debt servicing, that whenever we take a loan, we have to create a charge on our assets, and the charge is to be get registered within 30 days as per the Companies Act.
Good.
So that
what are the types of charges? What are the types of charges to be registered? Is it mortgage, or what type of charges to be registered?
So right now that as we know that the companies are taking loans or advances, loans from different lenders. So now what kind of charges we are creating is a pari passu charge, that every lender has their equal charges over the assets of the company.
No, your answer is not complete. You should have told me not only mortgage but also pledge and then hypothecation. All these charges also to be registered. Of course, when 2 or 3 banks make finance, known as consortium finance, then the charge creation will be pari passu.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you
Sir,
get it,
hypothecation kind of charge we create is on the stock and the debtors. That
even
is
then,
the
that should be registered with the registrar of joint stock companies.
yes, sir. For the working capital facility, we have to register this charge for the bank
Yeah.
against banks.
And even when the company gives its own land for security, even that has to be registered. Besides it being registered under the mortgage with the registrar of assurances, the mortgage may be registered separately, but this registration is separate.
Yes, yes, a charge has to be created within 30 days. You have to
Yeah.
comply with this.
Yeah, exactly.
It is to be created. Yes.
You told very well. Can you please tell me a few points about working capital assessment?
So working capital assessment working capital assessment is a short time of financing for the organization. It meets the daily expenditure of the organization. There are two types of working capital, that is net working capital and the gross working capital. So gross working capital consider only the current asset of the organization, and net working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. In our day-to-day of the organization, like in my current organization also at GPAY Power Limited, we are calculating working capital on the basis of current assets minus current liabilities. Your current assets includes your stock, debtors, and then your inventories. And your current liability includes your creditors and your outstanding expenses. Normally the bank takes a 25% margin against your drawing power, that after getting this number, you have a limit of withdrawing you have a limit of working capital that can be drawn from different banks.
No, I want some more clarity in this. Now you have arrived at current assets minus current liabilities. Now,
Yes, sir.
how much the bank will give you finance? Will they give the entire difference, or will they ask you to bring some margin?
Yes, sir. That I told you that sir, that all the thing that we are calculating for company, it is called drawing power. The name we consider it as a drawing power. So whenever you get the drawing power from current assets minus current liability, bank has to get 25% of margin. Like for example, if you get a 1000 number from current asset minus current liability, you will get a 1000 number. Then you have to deduct 25%. That is 250 crores. Now your working capital
the balance
limit will be
750. Balance 750. Very good.
Is your drawing power that you can draw you can take a loan from different banks.
Yeah.
For which you have sanction limit.
Yeah, but you are mixing two things. One is drawing power, another credit limit. I am talking about limit. You are bringing drawing power into picture. The question of drawing power comes where a limit has been sanctioned and where you are giving statement of assets that you are holding. You have to reduce that margin. Balance only will be given as facility. So that is drawing power. Supposing you have stock worth of 100 crores of goods, 25% is the margin prescribed. Now bank will give you 75 crores. So that is what, that's correct. So there is some clarity required. Did you go through the materials given by me or not under PNB credit folio? Did you go through that or not?
Sir, only regarding the charge and the basic question that strengths, weakness, and the basic question that they will ask me.
No, Baba. No. You have to read a lot because there are some good materials given therein. Why don't you go through that?
So actually,
I know there is no time. That's what you're going to tell.
It will be an excuse, sir. I have to find the time. I know that.
No. I have given you one or two more videos of the previous classes also where I have told, look, this is what I have given you. This is how you should read. I have narrated each and everything about mortgage, about hypothecation, about pledge, then about charge creation, about working capital and assessment, working term loan analysis. Hare Baba, everything I have given. Please go through that. Prepare yourself thoroughly for that. Your preparation is 80% sufficient.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Balance
yes.
prepare karna hai.
Yes, sir. Actually, yesterday only I have given my RRB exam, so I was preparing for that till now. Now I only got 2 days for this preparation,
Oh, I
so
know,
I
I
will
know,
go
I
through that.
know,
Yes,
I know. And you are a married girl.
yes, sir. I have a child
Oh, Baba. Kitna was oh,
and
6 months.
working.
6 months.
No, sir. He is 1.5 year old.
Acha. Are you talking to him frequently?
Are you, sir?
Are you talking to your child frequently? ज़्यादा बात करना
Yes, sir.
है. उनसे
Yes,
ज़्यादा
sir.
बात करके 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 you should make him very
Hmm.
nice. What is IRR?
So internal rate of return, it is the rate of return at which your inflow and the rate of return we calculate at which our inflow and the outflow become equal.
What is 1% companies?
So 1% company is a
Acha.
concept
Hello,
introduced.
hello. These are all not new questions. Everything I have given you in a
Yes, sir.
23 pages material. You know that?
Yes, sir. You have given the Google Drive link from where
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
studying. I started studying. Yes, sir.
Studying.
Where you? Yes, sir.
Apart from that, yeah, in the drive, there is one file known as credit officer. Inside that, this credit officer interview questions or bank
Yes,
interview
sir.
questions. इसमें से prepare कर दीजिए. And if you
Hmm.
have time, I suggest you are going through that CTDI magazine also, wherein August issue, July issue, go through.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you so much. Otherwise, I enjoyed talking to you for this long, but you can do still better. Obviously, because you had not much time at your disposal to prepare. आपने prepare नहीं किया और भी अच्छा prepare करने से और अच्छा mark मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? See,
So, sir.
otherwise, yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. So just give you. I just need your feedback. Yes, sir, giving me.
Feedback is, I'm telling you, 8 out of 10. Out of 10, 8. Not that I will not select you. I will select you for the simple reason. Number one, you are a chartered accountant. Number two,
Hmm.
you are a working person. Number three, you come here with support of your family. You are already a working person. You are willing to take up this responsibility. I have no hesitation in giving it to you. But if the competition available among from other candidates is more, you may lose the chance. That's a problem.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, there is no reason why you should not be selected. You must be selected. But फिर भी बैंकिंग का बारे में थोड़ा जान पहचान
Yes, sir.
कर
Yes, sir.
दीजिए.
I will definitely.
अबाउट पीएनबी का अंदर में जाइए. पीएनबी का वेबसाइट का अंदर में जाके जहाँ मिलता है सब अंडरस्टैंड कर लीजिए.
The financial part, I have already gone through all the financial part, the digital they are doing. That part I have considered about the PNB, everything, which I have to go through the
Please
basic
go
banking.
through. Please go through a lot
Yes,
of
sir.
other. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Best
Thank you
wishes.
so much, sir.
Wish you success.
Thank-
Attend the interview and send me the list of questions they are asking.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Which date interview?
Sir, 14th September.
Oh God.
Only a day.
भगवान आपको सुखी रखो. But take leave tomorrow if possible and read.
So they are not giving.
I know you won't be. They won't be giving you leave. आप मटेरियल को ऑफिस ले जाइए, उधर में चेयर का अंदर में रख के पढ़ लीजिए.
Sir, that I am going to try. Yes, sir, that I am going to try tomorrow.
Just joking. Nothing very serious. Thank you.
No, sir. Thank you so much, sir.